Hello everyone. Hope you all are well. Unfortunately, we think too small, not to try to do anything big. Most people spend their whole lives working with others. Today, everyone knows about YouTube. Why is YouTube the biggest platform today? Because his team has worked hard together and struggled. And today YouTube is making money worldwide through advertisement. We are creating a website for the first time in Pakistan that can earn millions of people. The idea for the website came from an American website, Shutterstock, where millions of people sell designs. Our first project is Textile Design Course. Textile design courses have been created for this reason. If a student wants to learn and work, he can do it too. Pakistan has a large market for textile industry. Lose your time and be a part of our team. 70% discount till August 31st on any course. To join the class, send your name, course name, and class time to the given number. Our representative will contact you soon. Thank you.